Here's something really cool. Ice cream may be helping to fight global warming. Here's why. Most ice cream uses milk or cream from dairy cows, but these cows have a rather unpleasant tendency. They burp, and those burps contain methane, a greenhouse gas that harms our environment. In fact, cow burping is the second leading cause of methane. Fortunately, scientists have come up with a solution. Add red seaweed to the cow's diet. It makes their burps pretty harmless. And that's the plan at Ben & Jerry's Ice Cream. Give their cows red seaweed and help save the planet. Utterly brilliant. For Teen Kids News, I'm Brendan.